Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 176 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. As the House is aware, Madam, there are other competing countries in the world which compete with us in coir products. Malaysia and Sri Lanka are our foremost competitors. But as a result of the persistent effort of the choir board and the government of Kerala in India, we have been able to have the highest percentage of utilization of the husk of choir than any other competing countries. We, madam, utilize more than 35% of the coir husk, whereas Indonesia and Malaysia utilize less than 12% and Sri Lanka less than 8%. It is our endeavor that furthermore utilization of a higher percentage of coir husk should also be attempted. It may therefore be looking like a contradiction in terms that when mechanization takes place, there will be unemployment. This might be a question generally asked because Kerala is a state where unemployment is a major problem. But, madam, the experience that we have in other industries is that all mechanization does not lead to less employment. As a matter of fact, if we can produce more goods and sell more goods, the overall employment in this sector might go up rather than go down. Even if it is pure substitution, as we have calculated, not more than 1,500 people in all out of the million people, as I mentioned, are likely to be displaced. But our hopes are that not only these 1,500 people will not be displaced, but we might be able to provide additional employment as a result of larger and larger utilization of the husk and better production of the goods and larger sales and marketing of these products. That way, we might be able to increase some employment in the long run. Therefore, madam, here we have mentioned that amendment in the bill. Another amendment that has been sought to be provided is that this is a poor industry and so far there was a cess on the coir products which financed the development of coir industry. Madam, the government of India therefore decided to remove the cess forthwith and only a month back this cess has been abolished and no coir products either for export or for internal marketing will have to pay that cess of about rupee 1 or so any more, which was a burden to this industry. Therefore, the amending bill also provides for a direct grant from the Consolidated Fund of India for all the activities of development that the Coir Board requires for developing this industry in various parts of India and particularly in the state of Kerala.